Hello, hi, namaskar. I'm Rishabh Chatterjee and today I'll be doing the unboxing of this new earphones. So I ordered this from Banggood.com and this is not sent to me by Banggood. I ordered it by my own money. And before this, I'll show you the earphones that I was using. But I felt like little bit it was lacking kind of bass. So I thought I'll order a new one. And this one actually reviews were very good online. And so I thought let me just try it out. Now normally if you see in earphones we have JBL, Sony and Sound Magic, all these companies, and this one is more of a Chinese company. It is actually a Chinese company. So I thought let me just try out how is this Chinese company quality. So before this I used to use this one, so I still use this one. This is Sound Magic. Exact model name, model number I don't know, but I'll leave a link to this in the description. And this is the packaging. So let's take a look at the packaging. So you can see here it's written BlitzWolf model BW-ES2, and this side some more information, red color. So there is two options, gray and red. So I like the red color, so I ordered that, and that's it. That's the box, and pretty nicely packaged and looks neat. Now sorry for the video to be slightly shaky because I'm not doing it in my normal setup, slightly different setup. That's why you can see it's slightly shaking. So if it turns out too much shaky, sorry for that. And yeah, now let's open the packaging and actually see the earphones. Now this one costed me around 1,300 something like that. It was going on an offer, so that's why I got it at a lesser price. Normally 1,400 to 1,500 is what it retails at. So when we open the packaging, we can see this. I don't know what is this. Some logo. Smile, not smile. Okay. User manual. Okay, nice. It's in English. Yeah, it's in English. So that's the user manual, and inside we have the actual earphones. The nice thing that I felt was that this one comes with a good pouch, so very easy to carry. So this is the pouch, BlitzWolf branding on top. Feels pretty good, spongy kind. And here's the actual zipper. And how does this open exactly? Okay, so it's open, and let's take a look at the earphones since that's the main thing. So here are the earphones. So these are the in-ear type ones. You can see these are the in-ear type. Now headphones, I could have also gone for headphones, but it's just easier to carry earphones, so I thought let's just order earphones only. And nowadays earphones also have pretty good clarity, and this is a dual driver one. Not normally you will see on the box some main features will be written, but on this there are not anything, nothing is written. It's a plain box, and this is how the cable is. This is like if you want to arrange it properly, you can use this. I don't know what is that called, but here's the actual pin. It's a straight pin, not a L type. Normally in this competition you can see an L type, but this one is a plain one, but it's gold plated, so that's a good thing. Has earphones too. Earphones, let me show you the controls here. So this is the earphone. Not sure what are all the three controls. Okay, the top one feels good button. The other two are, I don't know, it's pretty like I'm not able to press the third button only. Not that good feedback from the last two. This one has a good feedback, the first one. So that's the microphone. And yeah, I'll just use the earphones for at least a few days and I'll get back to you with the review. But anyways, what I saw on the net was it's pretty good. For bass, I also have, this is not mine actually, one of my friends. So this is the Sony, the direct competition to BlitzWolf, and this is the Sony ones. and you can see this one has slightly more bass. That's what I had seen online, but I just wanted to try the how will the Chinese ones be, so that's why I bought the BlitzWolf. Let's see comparison. If you like this video a lot and there's a good response, then I'll try to make a comparison video. So this is the Sony one. Here's the BlitzWolf, and Sony one has this flat cable, whereas this one has like circular, but it's supposed to be tangle free. This one too, we'll come to know when we use it. So anyways, that was the quick unboxing, and if you like this video, then don't forget to hit on that like button. If you want to know something about these earphones, comment below. And yeah, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. I don't make that many like this tech videos. Mostly my videos are based on travel and automobiles, but once in a while these are something that you can use while traveling. So yeah, I thought I'll share it with you all, and let me know what do you think about these earphones, and comment below anything you want to know more. That's it. This is Rishabh Chatterjee signing off, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye bye. I was just listening to the music from this earphone. I thought I'll share my opinion in the review video, but I just heard the music for around 10 minutes and I was really impressed. I thought I'll include this in the unboxing video too. So I'm recording now directly from the earphone, the microphone of the earphones, and first impression, the bass is good. It's not very overpowering, but it's good, and I used the equalizer too to tweak the bass up, and then it was very good. And also fitting is really nice, and it isolates the sound outside, so now I can't hear anything what's happening outside. Very like quiet, only I can hear the music. So that was my first impressions. I'll get back to you once I use it for a few weeks, and maybe review video will be out soon if there is enough demand from your side. Now something that I missed, inside the packaging you also get this extra earbuds and also this clip.